Hello loves, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thanks for subscribing, and if today is your first time of coming across my channel, you are highly welcome. Please do so good to click on that red subscribe button below this video to subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make delicious butter cookies without an oven. Guys, you're going to love this recipe. If you want to know how I came up with this, continue watching as I share. The first thing you're going to do is to cream 120 grams of margarine, you're going to cream this for 10 minutes. Add half cup of sugar, then you cream for 15 minutes. Add half teaspoon grated nutmeg, 2 tablespoons milk flavor, powdered. Half teaspoon butterscotch flavor. You can use any flavor of choice. Then break in 1 large egg. Mix until the egg blends very well. Add 2 cups of flour, little at a time, and make sure you sift your flour. So this is okay. Here we have a non-sticky cookie dough. We are baking without an oven, so I placed a foil on a tray, okay, and it's time to mold our cookies. We are going to mold the cookies dough into cookie shape, and as you guys can see, I indented with fork. You can use anything you want to indent or to give the designs you want, okay? So here our cookie dough is ready, well designed. Hope you guys have seen this. So the next thing we are going to do is to transfer this into a preheated pot. And you are going to bake for 35 to 40 minutes on low medium heat. So this is our yummy butter cookies. Hope you guys are seeing this. Isn't this yummy? Isn't this looking yummy? This was so delicious. So you can come up with this without an oven, and as you guys can see, the process is easy, like it's not hard to come up with. Okay, and your family is going to love this delicious Nigerian butter cookies. So make sure you try out yours and leave me a comment in the comment section. Hope you loved and enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to please like, share, and as well subscribe. See you guys in my next one. Have a lovely day. Bye.